Well, thank you guys so much for tuning into the channel today. And today, you guys, I am going to show you how I made over $600,000 in the last 30 days with 6 to 7 second videos that I repurposed on my faceless channels. Yes, you heard that right, over $600,000. And did I tell you, I did that while cruising the high seas. And it is your turn to start your faceless channel and start making your money. So what I'm going to do in this video today, one, I am going to show you what channel I think every beginner should start. The second thing I'm going to show you is how I was able to do it. And 3, I am going to show you exactly how you can start today and not tomorrow. This is going to be a banger of a video. So I want you guys to go get your pencils and paper, and I want you to learn, okay? This channel is about learning, and I am going to help you guys retire because, like I said, I was partying on Virgin Voyage's new ship. Their new ship coming out of California, you guys. I was partying out of their ship and I was having a blast. And while I was doing that, you guys, my channels were making me money. And that is the same thing I want for you. You should be spending your time not at anybody's 9-to-5 job. You should be spending your time relaxing, doing what you want to do, partying, spending time with your kids or grandkids. That is what you should be doing. And this video is going to help you do that. So like I said, let's get started with the video because it is a banger. But before we get to the video, you guys know I love to do the shout outs of the day and I love to do the inspiration of the day. So let's do it. Now, this is what was sent to me by one of my students. Her name is Shonda. And you guys, she does so well. And this is what Shonda had to say. At first, I was scared, Coach Sam, because I had been scammed by other creators. Also, I am an older woman and social media was very hard for me. It has always been hard, but I have always wanted to do it. I knew that I could do it. I just needed the help. So I kept seeing your videos and boom, I took my leap of faith. Coach Sam, I am so glad to say that I have made my first $1,000. You told us that we would be able to make $1,000 within our first 2 second weeks. Coach Sam, I literally made mine 8 days from purchasing your program. I am so grateful. I am forever grateful for you teaching us this skill, and thank you for pouring into us, pouring into our communities and showing us the way. Coach Sam, I'm going to be with you on that boat. Shonda, I am so happy to hear that. And I want you on that boat, sis. And I want everybody who's looking and watching this video, start your channel so that you can start living your life. Y'all, we had a ball on the boat, but you guys, this is about learning how to get there. It is simpler and easier than you guys think. And let's get to the inspiration of the day. The inspiration of the day is God is in control. He is the captain of this ship, and he knows it is time for me to go ahead and retire. He will allow my channel to grow. That's what I want you guys to put in the comment section after you like it and after you hype this video up. Go ahead and hype Coach Sam video up because guess what? In about a month, you're going to be retired just like the rest of us. Let's get to this video and let's start. Before we get into the video, I want to let you guys know about our coaching program. Our coaching program is fabulous, okay? I teach people how to retire with these faceless channels. So everything that you see in this video today, I literally created it myself and am teaching others how to do this. I don't care if you're older. I don't care if you have never been on social media before. If social media is hard for you, I want you to go ahead and click the link below so that you can get the program. Get in our program because our program is going to cover how to create that faceless channel from scratch. You're going to get all of your pre-made content. So the content that I'm going to show you guys today is the same content that is included with in that program. So you're going to get your content. You're going to get all of your digital journals, your ebooks, your planners, your journals. You're going to get all of that. Those are already pre-made. And the reason why I pre-made them, you guys, is because as a beginner, I don't want you guys trying to figure out what content. I don't want you guys to spend weeks upon weeks figuring out what digital products to put up there. It's already included. And you guys, we have a grow group, okay? So in our community is actually a grow group. So all you have to do is put your YouTube and your TikTok names in that grow group, and we will follow, and we will also watch the content so that you get your watch time hours so that you can get monetized, okay? And the name of the game is getting monetized. As an addition, what I have done is every single Sunday, I have mentorship meetings. So if there's anything that you need for your channel, if you need to ask me a question, you can come to our Sunday night mentorship meetings at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time. And if you can't make it, they are recorded and sent to you the next day so that you are always in the loop, so that you always know what we're working on. And if you need any help, please come there. Like I said, you guys, I'm going to leave the link to my program below. Also, I have included PayPal, Klarna, Affirm, all of that is included within the program. You guys, you can literally get in for less than $10 a month using Klarna. All you have to do is click the link below, and you guys scroll all the way down, go to the payment options, and we are ready to go. Get yourself in our program so that you are able to retire and you're able to live your life. I don't care how old you are. I don't care if you don't have any experience. Get in there so you can start to live your life, so you can start to do what you want to do with your life. Okay, so let's get to the video. Let's get to the tutorial right now. Number one, if you are a beginner, I'm going to tell you the one channel that you need to start immediately, and that one channel is a faceless motivational channel. These channels go viral and have millions upon millions of views every single day. And like I said before, if you're a beginner, you can really get this channel up and off the ground within the very first day. You guys, people will be drawn to your channel because of your visuals and because of your spirit. We motivate our friends, our family, and everybody else. It is now time for us to get paid for what we put out. And I am going to help you put that on this faceless channel and get paid for it so that you can retire. Do not let these people use you any further. Listen, you give out your energy to your job, to your kids, to everybody around you. It is time to give your energy back to you. Put it on this faceless channel and make your money and retire in peace. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is start that faceless motivational channel. The second thing, you guys, like I told you, I created 6 to 7 second reels. I put these reels on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook. I do not put them on Instagram because Instagram is not paying us. The rich girls and guys, we do not go anywhere where we are not paid. Okay, so I'm going to show you really quick how to start this faceless channel and what content you need to put up there, because these are really simple 6 to 7 second reels that anyone can do. And I mean absolutely anyone. And if you're older, you better get some of them grandkids. You better get your kids, and they can even do it, because that is how simple and how easy it is that I made these. Okay, so let's go right here, you guys. So what we're going to do is we are going to go into the melanin reels, you guys. These melanin reels, you guys, this is included within my program. This is absolutely free with the purchase of your program. This is included, okay? So there are over 3,000 pieces of content. And I know I get the question all the time, are we using the same content? No, there are 3 pieces of content. Every piece of content is going to have a different quote. Every piece of content is going to have a different song. Every piece of content is going to be different. It depends on you. So one of the ones that has brought me in tons of money, you guys, it is the one where you look like you're on vacation. This is one of my top ones. This one has reached over 1 million views, okay, across my channel. Also, you guys, this one, like I said, these are simple aesthetic reels, and they do very well on the social media platforms. Very, very well. You can literally put these out there and just let them run. So I am going to show you what content and how you're going to get started in doing them as step number 3. So you guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go straight into step number 2. What content you need to put on your faceless channel to make you maximum amount of income. And also, I am going to let you know right now what social media platforms you should be putting your content on. The first being YouTube, because YouTube pays very, very well. YouTube pays very well. The second one, you guys, is going to be TikTok. TikTok does not pay as much as YouTube, but it's still a great platform so that you can get into the creator fund. And fourth, you guys, this is a big one, and this is going to be a shocker. It is going to be Facebook. Facebook is now paying for your content. You can put these simple 6 to 7 second reels on your channels, on your Facebook, your YouTube, your TikTok, and make money from them, okay? And this is how you're going to get started tomorrow. Like I said, we're gonna go right here to the melanin reels, okay? And you can use this no matter what color you are, because I get that question a lot. You can use this if you're a guy, if you're a girl. This is a faceless channel. Nobody has to know that it's you. And truth be told, if I was you, I would not let anyone know where my source of income lies. So this is perfect, okay? So what we're gonna do is we are going to go to Melanin 1. I am going to show you which reels really bring me back tons and tons of income. So like I said, now that we're here at the Melanin Reels, there are over 3,000 pieces of content within the program, and they are absolutely free. 3,000 pieces of content. Nobody's content is going to be the same, because guess what? Everyone is going to have a different song, a different motivational quote. Everyone is going to have a different piece of content just off of this base content. And I'm going to show you the ones that make me a lot of money. So let's go right here. You guys, it looks like this girl is on vacation. She's living her life. This is one of my biggest, and I'm talking about biggest pieces of content. And that's why I included them for you to use. The next one is going to be, and I'm going to show you because it's a banger. It is such a banger. And you guys, the next one, this one makes, I'm telling you, it feels like all the ones where it looks like you're on vacation and it looks like you are somewhere tropical, you guys, those do the biggest on my channel. Like I said before, this is all included. And like I said, all you have to do is put a motivational quote on top of here and put it on the channels. Let the channels do the work for you, and really let this run on your socials, okay? On your social media channels. I'm going to show you really quick how you can edit these. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to ChatGPT, and since we're starting a motivational channel, we need some motivational quotes. So we're going to go right here to get started with ChatGPT. And then once we do that, like I said, I already have most of my quotes here. I usually do these for single moms and dads. So whoever your target audience is, and I teach you what target audience, and I teach you in the mentorship what audience to target, okay? Because there are certain targets that have a really high return rate. So you can literally put this on there and they will eat it up, okay? So The 10 motivational quotes for single moms and dad, that is one of my target audiences. So all I'm going to do is pick out a really good quote, and then it's going to be number 4. You don't have to be perfect to be an amazing parent. You simply have to keep showing up with love, okay? And like I said, these, and I'm telling you, they eat this up every single day. I have people commenting below talking about thank you for the great affirmations. You can also use these as affirmations as well. So what we're going to do is, we're going to go to text box, okay? We're going to choose a text box here. We're going to choose a text box and we're going to put it here. You should be able to edit these in less than 20 minutes per day. I post 3 times a day on my channel, and I edit these literally in under 20 minutes. So I do, in a 24-hour day, I work under 20 minutes a day. Crazy, okay? And that is going to allow you time to still have time with your family. If you're a partier like me, cruiser like me, you're going to still have time to be with your family, to cruise, to do whatever you want to do, because these are only 20 minutes a day, okay? So what we're going to do is we are going to take that text, all right? We're going to take that text, and then we are going to go ahead and we are going to add our own text, okay? We are going to go to paste, and then once we go to paste, we are going to edit this out so this looks really, really nice. Put this over here as an overlay. Right. Put this over here as an overlay, and look at the amazing content that you just created in under 5 seconds. This was how I made over $600,000 within the last 30 days with this simple and easy content on my channels. Like I said, you guys, I'm going to leave the link to my program so that you can learn fully how to do it too. And I teach you guys how to set up the channel step by step. It is so super duper simple and really super duper easy. Y'all, start that channel and start making that money. Start doing what you want to do in life. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like I said, the link below. Come meet me Sunday. I love you guys. Bye.